how it looks today here in Amed. There are a couple of exercises left for, like rescue exercises left for Ivans Divemaster course, so we will go in the woods and do that. There's a lot of trash floating today. Current brings it this way. Anyway, we will manage somehow.
This trash spill is quite big. We came out to swim 100 meters for tied up with tow, and all this 100 meters actually is covered under all this rubbish. So we're just trying to swim out to find the place where we can swim that 100 meters. Looks like the current is going that way, so we will just a little bit wait. Despite everything, the visibility is really okay today. Meter dive done, so then we will do the rescue 7, and then for the Divemaster, that's it. The only thing left will be a mapping project, which is on a process at the moment, just waiting for the results.
Today was a kind of relaxing day. We finished a couple of things for Ivans Divemaster course. It's 5:30 in the evening, soon will be the sunset. That means I will finish in this moment. Watch us tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have something interesting, maybe. We'll see. Don't forget to subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye!